Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Aim Korsaro and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you this morning. HTS leader Al-Jolani urges Western countries to lift sanctions as Syria prepares for a transitional period following the fall of the Assad regime. Protesters call for a broad participation in the incoming government. Pentagon says US has doubled the number of its troops in Syria to around 2,000 earlier this year as part of operations against the Islamic State group. Washington for years said it has some 900 military personnel in Syria. Palestinian officials say Israeli forces killed 6 people in the occupied West Bank, while the Israeli military confirms it killed 4 militants in an airstrike on a vehicle in Tulkarm camp. Russian President Vladimir Putin says he is ready for talks with the US President-elect Donald Trump on Ukraine deal at any time, while regretting that he did not launch Moscow's full-scale invasion offensive earlier. US House of Representatives reject a Republican-led funding bill aimed at averting a government shutdown, with federal agencies due to run out of cash on Friday night and begin closing down over the weekend. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks with United Kingdom's King Charles, recalling the historic ties between the two countries. Both reaffirm commitment to further strengthen partnership between India and the UK. People in storm-ravaged Mayotte implore French President Emmanuel Macron to do more to help as he tours the overseas territory. An angry crowd boos and shouts at the president. A stampede at a high school in Nigerian city leaves 35 children dead. 8 persons have since been arrested for their various involvement in the incident.